Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So today, as you read from my title, I'll be doing my paid subscription for BOXYCHARM base box and the BOXYCHARM premium box. We'll link the videos to my two previous unboxings, which were my PR boxes. And in the last video, I had mentioned that I would be doing a giveaway. So if you guys stay tuned towards the end of this video, I will be having a giveaway for all my amazing subscribers. And also during the video, I will be doing a try on and you'll be able to see how I created this look. If that interests you, make sure to keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, select all on your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. And if you do end up loving my video or like me, I would appreciate if you gave me a big ol' thumbs up. But let's get to it and let's start this unboxing. So I recently had both my paid subscriptions arrive to my home, and I wanted to make sure and create a makeup look which I felt would be easy for anyone to recreate in case you got any of the similar items I received. Now for those who don't know, the BOXYCHARM base box is a $25 a month subscription where we get 5 full-size items with the minimum retail value of $120, and every month we are able to customize one item from our box, but at this time the customization window has closed for the month of December. If you're interested in subscribing to BOXYCHARM, you guys, I highly recommend you do it as soon as possible, because I know right now they're already starting spoilers, and I do have a spoiler for Boxy Luxe, which is also coming in December. Also have an affiliate link if you guys wouldn't mind using it. This does help me out a bit, as I do make a small commission when anyone uses those links. So let's get started and let's open up my base box. I had filmed my BOXYCHARM pop-up video back in October, and I showed sneak peeks for the upcoming months. I had mentioned that I was kind of torn on choices, so I didn't choose an item. So I actually had a mystery item. Always, this is how the boxes come. You guys already have a huge sneak peek there. So again, this month's theme was Harvest, and I received Variation 54. The first item on top was a Volition Beauty Snow Mushroom Water Serum. It's an ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave your skin visibly plump, healthier looking, with an MSRP of $62. I have wanted to try this for so long, you guys, but I'm not going to begin using this one quite yet because I want to make sure I have some of the other items, and once you open this up, it begins to shelf. Another item that was very visible was this guy right here, Half Caked Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. And it says these lip fondant liquid lipsticks go on and feather light texture and dry completely matte for a best wear. Make sure your lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying. And this retails for $32 for the trio. Now that automatically tells me, if it's telling you to prep your lips, these are ultra matte lipsticks, which for me, I don't like ultra matte, you know, pinky mauve tones and then the red tone. So I don't like super matte lipsticks, and I'm not really wanting more liquid lipsticks, so I'm gonna be adding these to my giveaway sneak peek. So you guys already know this is part of the giveaway. Jekka Black Liquid Corrector 2.0. It says meet the perfect under eye brightener which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. The lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish and retails for $15. And this says it's a new product launch, and it's listed right at the very bottom. This is an under eye corrector also, by the way, which is why it's so tiny. And this is a 0.34. So this guy right here, this is was one of the 3 choices, which is the Benefit Gimme Brow, and it's one of my favorite items to use. This is a full size that retails for $24, which is awesome because I'm almost running out of mine. I did use this for my video, and again, I received also the 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. This says the hyaluronic acid aqua booster increases moisture levels by delivering a shot of concentrated hydrating ingredients into the skin to combat both dryness and dehydration. Retails for $135. What I think is funny, I saw a lot of people that were doing videos and they kept on saying, oh, I got the Natasha card, that means I must get it or I should have gotten it. Being that Natasha Denona was a featured brand and they gave BOXYCHARM a code, everyone actually got one of these little flyers, because as you see it, you guys, I did not get a Natasha Denona palette. So for those who did not get the Peak palette in their base box, they received the 111 Skin. I'm so glad I didn't promise I was going to give one of those palettes away, because I would have been very bummed. And this is how the bottle looks like for the 111 Skin. And again, these little guys, you don't need very much to get the job done. Since I'm trying to speed this up and go to the next one. Now my paid premium box comes in this blue box. So the premium box is $35 a month, you guys, and we get, they state we get 6 to 7 full-size items with a minimum retail value of $175, and we are able to customize one item every month, but at this point the customization window for premium has closed, so you wouldn't be able to do customizations. But BOXYCHARM pop-up is still available and the Beauty Bash event is still available, which means they have amazing sales and deals still running right now where products are insanely discounted. So again, if you do want to subscribe, you will still get one of these beautiful boxes. And again, I'm going to link my previous video because there is quite a few variations. I did get a slightly different variation. I received variation 4. My first item was the Il Masquia Unveiled Artistry palette, which retails for $50. I'm gonna grab mine right here, which I used it. So these shades are really pigmented, you guys. Like, they built it up really fast and they blend out very easily, and the shimmers are so buttery. I really love this formula. I'm glad I was able to really intensify the outer corner just using this top shade right here. The item I received was the Dose of Colors Block Party Single Shadow, but this one is slinky. Now, I've already told you guys I'm not big into single shadows, so this will be going into the giveaway along with, I forgot what the other one was called already, and the other one that was more on the brown tone will go in. Slinky is more of a kind of like a graphite shade right there. And again, they each have their own little mirror, and these retail for $20. The next item I received was from Grown Alchemist. I kept on saying glow, or I said glow multiple times, I think, in my premium unboxing for the PR Alchemist. This is the Detox night cream, and it retails for $125. This is a really nice night cream, and I've been actually enjoying it. I've used it like twice so far, and it feels really nice on your skin, and you wake up feeling very refreshed. But as I've received a double, this is going into my giveaway as well. So that's what, 4 items so far, or 5? So the next item I received is this guy right here. It's from Pure Cosmetics. It's their 4-in-1 Perfecting Powders Face Palette, and it retails for $32. And again, I used it for today's look. They're so pretty, you guys. So this is how the packaging looks right there. On the back, it has the names of the powders and what they are. So it came with a translucent powder, bronzer, blush, and highlight. So I love the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 series. Like, I love their foundation, concealer, of course. I have their contour sticks. I really enjoy them. And these are the 4 shades, which I think they're very versatile. And it comes with this nice mirror. And if you look right there, it has a really cool pattern on there. but again, they built up so nicely and effortless, and this highlighter is just so gorgeous. I really love this, and I'm glad to have it in my collection. I was almost fearing the entire box is gonna end up being double. And then now the next item, which again I'm including it in the giveaway, it's the cosmetic skincare brush set. So I'm gonna leave this unsealed, untouched, that way whomever gets it can touch it for themselves for the first time, because again, it's for your skin. And this is the applicator for like your moisturizer, creams and serums, and then the brush. So this retails for $25. Now, the last item I received, and I'm kind of shocked about this, I'm not gonna lie. So it's this guy right here. This is from the Lifestyle Co. 100% natural cuticle oil. This natural healing cuticle oil is made with pure almond oil, jojoba oil to soften and nourish the cuticles. It also has lavender oil to help straighten your nails and cuticles to keep them moisturized, and it retails for $22. So I do actually like cuticle oil, but I'm still working on the one we received in, I believe it was July or June, I can't remember. So I'm just gonna save this for now because I do like the fact that this is more compact. How neat, and it comes in a roller ball. Oh, that's kind of cool. I definitely like this a little bit better, that it comes in a roller ball versus the other one was a dropper. So cool. It smells really nice too. So now I'm going to just pop in a quick video and show you guys how I created this look using the items that I received in my boxes. what you guys think of both my paid subscriptions. Now, again, I'm glad I still received my Natasha Denona in the other box, because otherwise I'd probably be disappointed that I didn't receive it. Like some of the others, I know the 111 Skin is a very expensive brand. I mean, it's $135 just for the one serum, but I wouldn't understand why they would send 2 serums, you know what I mean? I mean, they're great serums by all means, it's just why 2 in one box? So let me know what you guys think of the items I received in my paid subscription. Again, from these boxes, overall it did end up with a lot of doubles, but again, that's going to end up happening over time as I get PR and I pay for a subscription, because I don't want to I get FOMO. Like, if I stop paying for this and they don't send it, I'm gonna feel FOMO, right? And I like being able to customize my boxes too, so that's why I won't cancel my own, you guys. But I'm really happy with overall with the items I received. Recap on what one of my lucky winners will receive. Again, you'll receive the brushes, you'll receive your own Il Musclia Unveiled Artistry palette, untouched, unopened, since I showed you guys mine. Grown Alchemist night cream. 2 of the Dose of Colors singles, because I have 2 shades. Oh, the other one was Lock and Key, and then this one's Slinky. Along with the lipstick trio from Half Kate called Game Changer. So just with the items that I'm giving away, you guys, this is over $200 in value. And one of my lucky subscribers will be winning all of these amazing goodies. Whoop. I'm going to try to keep the rules simple. First, you must be subscribed to my channel. I think that's only fair. 2, you must like the video and comment below your Instagram handle along with what item are you most excited to win. And 3, you guys, you must subscribe to my blog, which is PerkiPerkins.com. Get extra entries by watching my future or previous videos, and make sure you comment and let me know you're there, basically, not just, you know. So make sure you comment letting me know that you watched it, and it'll have a timestamp. So anything after today's date, it's considered extra entries. And commenting or checking out some of my blog posts, but you must comment, otherwise I won't be able to see that you actually engaged. So any extra engagement after this video is bonus, basically. Due to shipping cost, you guys, because shipping's been killing me, and I do apologize, I will have to make this giveaway United States and Canada only. So I do apologize to my international subscribers, but I will have to make it US and Canada only. Guys, also so very much, I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, select all your notifications, and give me a big ol' thumbs up. And take care, be safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.